So friends, if you are a person who do not like to fold clothes or you do not have time to fold clothes, then this is the best option for you. You can hang all your clothes. Yes, you can modify your wardrobes, your closet to hang the clothes. So this is what I did for one of my clients. She prefers to hang her clothes rather than fold them. So I had categories for each of the sections, wherein we had her office wear in one of the section, her regular wear, her party wear or a western wear. So for all this we created categories, and of course her Indian wear. We even gave her an option of hanging her night dress or her home wear. So this is all her western wear, and here in this closet we have arranged all her Indian wear. So this is a closet where we have kept all her kurtas, her Indian dresses. So they all here in this closet. So friends, this is one of the way of organizing your clothes. If you don't like to fold your clothes, you can hang them. I personally like this option because it gives me a display of all that I have, and it's easy for me to pick what I want to wear. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have liked this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every Saturday. Bye. Thank you very much.